Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share live location on WhatsApp, step-by-step guide. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're fairly new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about useful tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. Having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. It's going to open up these particular settings. Next thing you need to do is simply click on settings. Just like so. It takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy. Then you have to scroll down here from privacy. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to live location. Just like so. Right here, you need to allow. Now, having set your live location, next thing you can do is to simply go back to your WhatsApp account. Then you can choose a contact that you will share your live location with. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to choose a contact. Then after you choose a contact, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here. Then I have to make sure I click on this location. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here, share live location. Then I'll click on continue. Then you can add a simple note. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on send. So it's as simple as that. So the location has been successfully sent to the contact. And basically, this is how to simply share your live location on WhatsApp without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.